In a shocking twist, Cassie's words may start to flatten after court analyzes her testimony. It seems Cassie wasn't all innocent, but also dancing willingly with the devil. After hearing she was cheating on her now husband Alex with her ex Diddy, and without force, she made the decision, which sparks a lot of controversy. The court analyzes past messages, showing Cassie's willingness to be involved with Diddy while in a relationship with her husband. The court believes Cassie loved the past life with Diddy, and she wanted to have that life back. This sends shockwaves through many outlets, changing the entire view of the case. Now the big question is, should Diddy be sentenced, or should he get another chance at life?
Imagine your wife cheats on you and you take her back. Y'all work the shit out. Then years later, down the line, you have to find out how and exactly what ways she was cheating on you. So you find out not only was she just cheating on you with one dude, she was getting triple, quadruple team, double team, drinking other bee juice. I mean, just whatever. And not to mention, she also had an affair with Diddy. That she said abused her. She had an affair with this. And then women on TikTok are gonna gaslight you into thinking that you a hero for taking on all her when you really, none of them is gonna acknowledge all the shit that she put you through. This is why women don't get the respect that they beg for in society, because they don't tell the truth under any circumstances unless it benefits them. Calling Cassie's husband a hero for staying with her all through all her cheating and all the knowing damn well if this was another man getting, if this was a man getting caught up and getting exposed for doing this shit to his wife, y'all would have pitchforks on this. Y'all are disgusting human beings, bro.
A lot of y'all don't understand how Cassie's husband could wife up Diddy's ex-toilet seat, but there are some advantages to being married to her. Let's talk about them. First off, if you're married to Cassie, you could potentially win every argument. You could be the first man to go undefeated. I'd be like, what? You're really gonna get on to me for not having these kitchen counters wiped down? These counters are what disgusts you? That's where you draw the line? I figured you'd be used to everything around here being sticky. What's she gonna do, get an attitude with you? I'd drop her right back off at Diddy's house for a reboot. It'd be like taking your computer to the Geek Squad. You wouldn't even have to argue with this woman if she wanted to get an attitude. You could just start humming I'll Be Missing You. And finally, let me just say, if your girl is just a little too passionate about this Cassie situation, that is some red flags right there. If she's like, you don't understand how she feels. She was young. She didn't know any better. You better be like, man, how do you know how she feels? What were you doing in your 20s? If your wife refuses to judge Cassie, then she was Cassie.
It is, but we've really been left alone in terms of just like the paparazzi or people going crazy. Like people really just like let us chill, which is nice. But it is hard when you're in the public eye for sure.
Can it change things, or you guys have just learned to,
I think you just learn to adapt to it after a while, because if you have love for each other, then there's nothing that should get in the way of that.
Okay, final question. Mm-hmm. Craziest place you've smacked?
Ooh. Craziest place I've smacked. Okay, it wasn't like dirty, but it was at a club.
Which club?
And I'm not telling you.
Oh my God.
It was in a very clean situation. I know that for sure.
What city was the club in?
Miami
club.
Yeah.
11.
No.
Story.
No.
Oh my God.
I don't even know if the club exists anymore.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay, club life. Were there anyone watching?
No.
That would be fire.
It was a quick moment.
Quick little one.
Yeah.
Quick little just a tip. Just a tip with Cassie Ventura, Crystal B. Love a loser. Go get it.
Yes.
Get it everywhere. And follow Cassie on Instagram. @Cassie. Peace. Thanks.
After hearing almost everything Cassie said in her trial, many people are starting to question her credibility. It seems Cassie is not so innocent after all, but one thing for sure, it's going to take more than just a Cassie win for Diddy to beat this case. Many other people will be testifying in the coming days, and I feel it might get a lot worse. Please also remember to drop a like and share your thoughts in the comments section.